To build a Toja Grid double pergola kit with rafters, the first step is to build the top of the first side. Lay out your brackets and lumber for the top, using cardboard underneath the brackets to prevent damage. Then create the U shape. And then secure the brackets to the lumber with the provided screws. Next, create the I shape in the same way. Connect the I and the U shape, securing them with screws. Once the top is complete, and solo brackets have been placed and fastened on all of the vertical posts, lift one side and insert 2 vertical posts into the bottom of the quad or trio brackets and secure with screws. Lift the other side and insert the remaining 2 vertical posts and secure with screws. Once you have the first side of the double pergola standing and secured, build the second side. To do this, create a U shape. Then lift and insert the legs into the bottom of the trio brackets. Finally, lift and insert the second side into the quad brackets. Secure with screws. Once the structure is up and fastened, it's time to install the shade sails. Start with the 4 corners. Fasten the corner bracket, aligning it with the top 2 inner holes, and repeat on all 4 corners of the pergola. Then, attach the shade sail on all 4 corners and tighten the straps evenly. For the side brackets, align them with the middle straps on the shade sail and fasten the brackets with 2 screws. Then attach and tighten the straps evenly. Wrapping the excess strap around itself, as shown, will give it a cleaner look.